Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed about file opening and closing syntax. So this is the syntax for file opening. We use a file pointer and then we use the file name and mode to create a file, and to close a file we use fclose with the file pointer as an argument. Today we are going to discuss about input operations and on sequential text files. After lecture level learning outcome, after completion of this lecture, you will be able to write programs using files. So this is how to write data to a text file. So here in this program you have created a file pointer, and this is fopen function which takes the program name. So this is directly the path of the program file is given instead of simply giving file. So this path is taken from the computer itself, and here we have the mode of the file, that is write mode. So this block can be used to identify whether the program is created successfully or not, or whether the program exists or not. So if file pointer returns null, it is error. If it does not return null, then it is successful. And here we are printing, we are trying to write some data, that is we are inserting a data of a number. So that number can be written in the file using this statement fptr is equal to percentile d comma num. So we can use fprintf statement and fclose fptr. So this will close the file. So whatever number is there, that number is written. If multiple digits are there, you have to you can use a loop also, create an array and you can use a loop. So when you open the file, you can see here the text file is created, and you can see the integer whatever you have entered into the file. And this is another program to write to print the data which is present in a file. So here we have a program to print number of characters, spaces, lines and tabs. So you can see here we have first file pointer is created, and in the file pointer we have created, instead of taking a static file, we have used a dynamic file. For that purpose we are creating a file, we are creating a character array of size 80. So whatever file name you want to give, that is stored by this file f1. So this file f1 is taken with the help of scanf, and the same file 1 is inserted as a file name in the fopen. So whatever input you give, that will be replaced with file 1, and it is opened in read mode because we just want to read the data present in this particular file. If a file pointer returns null, so the file is unable to access, the file does not exist otherwise. So take each character from the file. So for that we can use fgetc function. This is to read data from a file. Okay. If you want to read a data from keyboard, we use scanf, and if you want to read the data from file, we use fgetc, that is file pointer if it is not equal to uif character plus plus. So whatever each character you take from file, that is taken as ch, so that is character plus plus. So character will be so initially we have taken all the things as 0, character equal to 0, line, space, tab. Then if ch equal to space, then print space plus plus. If ch equal to slash and line plus plus and tab, it is tab plus plus, and then try to print all these statements using printf. And so before going for printf, close the file and then print. So when we enter some file name, we get all this data which is present in the file. So let us see a small query. What is the function of mode w plus? So these are the options which are meaning of w plus. Pause your video and try to answer this question. Let us see the answer, students. So answer is B. So it creates a text file for update and discards whatever previous contents are there. It discards and it writes the new contents. If your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. Lecture outcome revisited. After completing the discussion on files, you will be able to develop programs using files. And this is a sample lecture level problem. C program to display students' data using files. And this is a tutorial 13 related to the file programs. So you can create different files with different types of data like student data, employee data, bank data with the help of different file operations. Thank you.